Moving on to design rights. Design rights essentially protect the look and appearance of a product, and in particular its shape, texture, colour and the materials used, and so on. The shape and configuration of the product are automatically protected by an unregistered design right. You can register your design for stronger protection for the shape and configuration, and also to protect the appearance and decoration of the product. Two-dimensional designs such as graphics, textiles and wallpaper must be registered. You can't use a design right to protect the functionality of a product. This is better suited to a patent, which I'll talk about next. The overall impression of the design must be novel and original, and you cannot use a design right to protect an offensive design or something that incorporates a protected emblem or flag, for example the Olympic rings or the royal crown. You must also make your designed product or record it in a design document. You can get a registered design by filing an application with the UK Intellectual Property Office. And this can be done at any time, provided that someone has not already registered that design. Once registered, you can display a registration number on your design to notify people that you have registered that design. For unregistered designs, the protection is automatic, but notably less. You may need to prove when you created the design, and to do this, you can file copies of the design and drawings or photos with the bank or your solicitor. You can even send them to yourself by registered, dated post and keep the envelope unopened. Design rights stop people from using an identical or near identical design. They're owned by the designer or the commissioner of the work. Note that this is different to the position in copyright. However, as with copyright, if a design is created during the course of employment, the owner of the right will be the employer and not the employee. With registered designs, your initial registration lasts for 5 years. This can be renewed for a maximum of 5 times, giving you up to 25 years protection for your design. With unregistered designs, you're protected until the earliest of 10 years after a product was first sold with that design, or 15 years after the design was first created. Note that this cannot be renewed. Also, in the last 5 years of an unregistered design, third parties can apply for licenses, for which you can then claim royalties. So, to summarise, design rights prevent people from copying your designs, for example, in clothing. The design must be recorded and, like with trademarks, the designs can be registered or unregistered. The amount of protection and its duration differs whether you have a registered or unregistered design.